Hey YouTube beauties, it's your girl Miss Rachel Adina. So as promised, I'm giving you guys a full lineup of all of the products that I use throughout the months, years, whatever, just so you know, products that are backed by me, approved by me, things that I like. So I'm going to show you guys all of these one at a time, and I'm also going to have a list and a lineup in the description box below. So stay tuned for the rest. So as you've seen in my other skincare video, this is my derma roller, this is my pimple popping tool, and this is my eyebrow archer. So one of my favorite cleansers right now is the Sephora Clean Skin Gel. I love it. It's 99% natural. Also, I like to use my rose water. It's a wonderful toner and it helps with brightening and plumping the skin. This is my activated charcoal. I love it. And this is my spot treatment for acne. So what I always make sure I have on hand is some organic grade A tea tree essential oil. This is perfect for hormonal acne, and it's also considered nature's benzoyl peroxide. So this is my current moisturizer. It has an SPF of 15, which is great for people who suffer from hyperpigmentation. This is my apple cider vinegar for my bentonite clay mask, and this is that good old hyaluronic acid serum, and my glycolic acid serum, which are both alpha hydroxy acids, and that was my vitamin C serum. So all of my skincare nerds out there, you know by now that all of my skincare products are for brightening the skin, improving the texture, the tone, and the tightness of it. So all the other products you'll see throughout this tutorial. So all my skincare products range from the very natural, mild, sensitive, friendly products to some of the let's get these pimples together and gathered. The reason why I do that is because sometimes I just want to get rid of my pimples, but I always try to maintain with natural ingredients, and that has really shown to help my skin out in the long run. So this is my Sephora Clean Skin Gel. I like to start out on dry skin and then slowly add water. This is just giving my face enough time for my pores to open, for my face to warm up, and really start benefiting from those products. So as I add the water, I just make sure that I'm rubbing my face, massaging it, focusing on all of those problem areas, and then I go in with another cleanser. So I double cleanse my face. This is the Acne Proofing Gel Cleanser from Neutrogena. I like to put this on a cloth and I like to massage my face further. So I like double cleansing my face because I really believe that one time doesn't completely get all the dirt. I don't just use my hands to clean my face. I don't think it cleans your face at all, you guys. I think you're just pretty much rubbing dirt around your face. I love physical exfoliating. Some people do not agree with physical exfoliating because they believe that it causes micro tears. This is not true. If you're not too rough, it will not cause micro tears. It will exfoliate your skin and it will help. So as you can see, look at all that dirt. I just washed my face that morning. So it proves that using a cloth or some sort of physical exfoliator like a Clarisonic or some sort of silicone product will really help get all the dirt off your face. Newsflash, these are my gym wipes. I love them so much. They're almost 100% natural and they are great at getting rid of all of the oil, salt, and dirt on my face after I come from the gym. This is also an amazing makeup remover. I don't use it to really cleanse my face, but eye makeup or just foundation, it's perfect at that. So let's get into this mask. I like to make my own mask at home, but sometimes when I really just need a quick mask to put on my face while I surf the web or hang out with my husband, this is the go-to. I also love to add activated charcoal to any mask that I have because it really does help fight acne and pull all the impurities out of your face. So I like to mix it in together. This can get really messy, so do this in your bathroom, over the sink, and clean your bathroom, ladies, after you're finished because your bathroom will end up looking like mine did after a video like this. So there's no particular method for putting on a mask. I know you guys know how to do that. Just have some fun with it, put it all over. Some people don't like to do their eyebrows. I think you should do your eyebrows. Oil hides literally everywhere on the face. I put it on my lips, everywhere. This is detoxing. Hashtag skin detoxing. So just put it everywhere you can, even on your eyelids, doggone it. So we're all done. Blow yourself a kiss in the mirror because you're easy breezy and beautiful. And so as you can see with this mask, my face is completely dry. You could even see my pores. Like, this mask really penetrates deep. It's a must. So you're just gonna pretty much get some warm water and rinse it off slowly. Make sure you don't rub too hard because this is very, very dry. So my face is all clean, purified, detoxed, and exfoliated. So let's get into the rest of this video so I can talk about this awesome exfoliator lotion that I've been using for about maybe about a year on and off. This is the Clinique exfoliator lotion. It's step 3. It runs about $17, but it lasts for about maybe 2 to 3 months, maybe. I think my chemical exfoliator is one of the most important steps. Sometimes if I don't get a chance to wash my face, either it's because it's really late, I will definitely go and grab my exfoliator lotion and my cotton swab and just try to get as much dirt off of my face before going to bed. So as I'm wrapping up this video, ladies, I hate to break it to you, but I've come to the conclusion that it is not one product that keeps the skin clear. It is being consistent with a nighttime and a daytime skincare routine, and also making sure that your skincare routine has all the components needed in it to clear your skin, to maintain your skin, exfoliate it, and cleanse it. So when in doubt, go cleanse your face because it's most likely dirty. I'm not trying to play y'all, but I have been amazed at how much dirt I can pull from my face after just going to sleep, waking up in the morning, going to the gym, coming back. It is absolutely unbelievable. So, ladies, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Don't let nobody change your mind about that. And you are amazing, flaws and all. Thanks for watching. So let's be carefree as we enjoy this journey together. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can see when I post more content like this. Thanks for watching.